Hi everyone, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the Addi. So, about 2 weeks ago, I know I do so much shopping on Amazon that I should be a paid affiliate. Just kidding. In any case, I do a lot of shopping on Amazon. It's convenient because, between work and everything else. And you can't beat the deals. I feel bad because I think they're putting a lot of the local stores are closing because everybody's shopping online, but it is the way it is. Anyhow, I got the Addi knitting machine. Okay, it's the Addi Kingsize Express. Because I plan on doing some donation hats for the homeless in my area. And I was curious, I wanted to try it. And I'm actually thinking of getting the smaller one because I understand you could do socks on it. And in any case, I got this and such a deal. And it's actually still going on as of today. 43% off. It's regularly $240, $136 on Amazon as of the filming of this video, which is Sunday, what's today's date? Let's see, 25th of August, 2024. $136 for that Addi Kingsize Express. I have it already bolted down, well not bolted down, hooked on my table, but this is the box. And I actually tried it out, and I found one yarn I didn't like and two that I like so far. I think this is, I love this yarn by Hobby Lobby. And yeah, so just a basic beanie. I haven't put a pom-pom on it. As I said, this is just my trials, the first try. And I think this is actually the first one I made. And it took no time. So this one I actually cranked. I don't remember how many rows, but for this one, then my shoulder was like, maybe, because I had ordered the attachment, and I got the attachment and this little power. I think this was it's $20. Amazon. Worth it, because you just put the little thing on and zoom away. Yeah, so I see a lot of hats coming in my future. And actually I watched a video, speaking of the pom-poms, there's a video, I will try and link it below, how to make your own pom-poms. So simple. And you can, buy the material, I'm guessing, at any Joann or fabric store, or maybe Hobby Lobby, the fur material, and make your own pom-poms. It takes no time, and you can get any color you want, or you can order them. But, some of them, you order them and you don't know what size you're going to get. This way you could customize it. So, yeah, so this video is just public service to let you know if you're in the, if you want to get an Addi and you have the funds, now's the time to do it on Amazon. And this is, it's brand new and in the box, and everything was perfect. And so far it's been working for me, and 43% off. I couldn't pass up the deal. And yeah, so that's what this video is about. Hope everybody's having a nice day. If you enjoy this public service video for a great buy, scoring a deal on an Addi, and you're enjoying watching my videos, please hit the like button. For the people that have subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it. I think I have maybe 100 and... I honestly didn't look. Last time I looked, it was about 175 subscribers. And I know I'm not haven't recorded a lot, but hopefully this fall and winter I'll have more time. But thank you for stopping by. Appreciate watching all of your channels and learning from all my friends out there in the YouTube world. Take care. Have a great day. And as I said, if you're in line to buy an Addi, might be the time to do it now. 43% off. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.